Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited points on McDonald's. So this is the actual modded McDonald's app, and you can see I've got 320 points, but in the mod menu, we can turn on unlimited points. So I'm going to press unlock, and as you can see guys, it's adding the points to my McDonald's app. So it's super cool. So let's just give it a minute for this to go ahead and finish here, as you can see, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So as you can see guys, it is adding all the stuff, and it says the points were activated, so let's see if they are added to the account. So 320 points, and bang guys, as you can see, they're going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys in this video how to get unlimited McDonald's points right away. So let's get into the tutorial. So first thing we're going to do guys is go to our browser. I want you to go onto your phone and type tweakmod.com. Okay, so now type McDonald's, and this is obviously the mod. Press install, and now we just got to verify ourselves. So we need to download 2 apps and follow the instructions, which are 100% free, by downloading 2 of these apps to complete the verification process. So let's just give it a minute for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to let it do its thing, and we should be all set. So as you can see guys, it is pretty simple. So we're just going to let it load, and then we're going to have unlimited points on McDonald's today. So let's see what we doing tonight. Okay, so it is loading right now. So I'm just going to let it load, and then we just need to complete the verification. So as you can see guys, it says missing files. So just download some of these. So like Truckee Match, you got to reach level 11. So it's a game, right? I would download it, reach level 11. Then we got Underdog Fantasy, download and run for 30 seconds. So just download the app, run it for 30 seconds. Minzo Play, you got to pay money, so don't do that. Color Block, reach level 25. All right, so most of all, these are very simple. So unlimited points be following you soon. And you can see right here, it's super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to have unlimited points on McDonald's in 2025.